In construction, innovation never hits pause. From machines that literally print roads to materials that behave in ways that seem impossible, the building world keeps evolving at full speed. These breakthroughs don't just improve construction, they're rewriting the entire rulebook. And what you're about to see today isn't just clever, it's a whole new level of engineering genius. Say goodbye to dusty buckets, inconsistent mixes, and the muscle-draining chore of preparing mortar. Mortar Dry Foil is a modern bricklaying revolution. Each flexible sheet contains the exact amount of mortar needed for one layer, pre-measured, pre-arranged, and perfectly balanced. When you place it between bricks and wet it with water, the mortar activates instantly and bonds the bricks with impressive strength. No mess, no waste, and no risk of mixing errors. It speeds up workflows dramatically, keeps job sites cleaner, and ensures that every brick in every row is bonded with identical consistency. It might just be the easiest mortar system ever designed. Bubble Deck is one of the smartest and most efficient concrete slab technologies ever created. It works by placing hollow plastic spheres inside the slab's neutral zone, the part that doesn't carry tension or compression. By removing unnecessary concrete in that internal layer, weight drops by up to 30% without reducing strength. These spheres are locked into a mesh grid between top and bottom reinforcements, forming a strong 3D cage. Once concrete is poured, the slab becomes a lightweight, biaxial system capable of handling bending and shear forces with ease. No beams needed. The result? Stronger floors, faster installation, lower material costs, and lighter buildings overall. Sometimes the smartest breakthroughs look unbelievably simple. This bricklaying method uses a durable masonry template with raised borders that sits directly on top of your already aligned row of bricks. Once the template is in place, workers apply fresh mortar inside the borders and level it until it reaches the exact top of the frame. What makes this so impressive is the consistency. You get a flawless, uniform 10mm joint every single time. No uneven mortar lines, no sloppy finishes, and no guesswork. This technique is perfect for facing bricks, interior walls, and architectural projects where clean, razor-straight lines make all the difference. Small but incredibly capable, JCB's mini dump truck is the compact powerhouse every job site wants. Its rugged track system allows it to move easily over mud, gravel, and uneven terrain, while the powerful motor handles loads up to 500 kilograms. The machine can lift and dump material from a height of 1.45 meters, making it perfect for loading trucks or filling raised beds. User-friendly controls, hydraulic brakes, and a removable emergency throttle hose keep the operator safe. Whether it's construction, landscaping, or renovation work, this mini dump truck delivers huge performance in a small footprint. The road printer is a stunning example of automation done right. This bricklaying machine combines advanced engineering with skilled human operators, producing road surfaces with unmatched speed and precision. As the world's first fully electric, self-propelled road printer, it can lay brick roads from 1 to 6 meters wide in a single continuous sweep. Workers load bricks into the top, and its intelligent conveyor system arranges them into perfect interlocking patterns as they slide underneath. The finished roads are not only smoother, but up to 4 times stronger than traditionally hand-laid surfaces. Cleaner, faster, and impressively robust, this is the future of road construction. Water treatment plants and industrial concrete structures face brutal conditions every day. Abrasive water, chemicals, and constant flow can wear surfaces down quickly. SecaGuard 700S is engineered to survive exactly those environments. When applied with a roller or sprayer, it forms a dense, protective membrane that resists chemicals, abrasion, and even biogenic sulfuric acid, one of the harshest threats to concrete. By sealing the surface, it dramatically extends the lifespan of tanks, channels, and pipes, reducing maintenance costs and preventing premature deterioration. Build and lift flips conventional construction upside down, literally. Instead of building the roof last and working at dangerous heights, this system allows crews to assemble the entire roof safely on the ground. Once completed, a coordinated series of hydraulic jacks lifts the roof slowly and precisely into its final position. Meanwhile, walls are constructed underneath it, section by section. The process dramatically reduces fall risks, speeds up the build time, and allows teams to work with safer footing and better accuracy. It's like assembling a massive architectural puzzle, only smarter and safer. When strength and flexibility are engineered into one material, you get something truly special. Mapex is a sealant designed for the toughest environments, where expansion joints, corners, and cracks need long-lasting protection. It stretches without tearing, adheres to almost any surface, and stays durable even under constant movement or temperature swings. After a short bonding phase, Mapex becomes weatherproof, watertight, and strong enough for roofs, facades, walkways, even vertical surfaces. Apply a 3mm layer, wait 24 hours, and you're left with a permanent, seamless seal designed for decades of performance. Built for power and tuned for control, the Ride-On Trowel machine is the go-to tool for finishing massive concrete floors. Operators sit comfortably while dual rotating blades polish the surface with flawless consistency. Its weight distribution and blade design eliminate ridges, waves, and imperfections, delivering a smooth, machine-perfect finish across huge areas. Perfect for warehouses, commercial buildings, and industrial floors, this machine turns backbreaking manual work into a fast, precise operation. Transforming your outdoor space has never been easier. The Tola grid pergola system works like a large-scale building set, incredibly simple to assemble, yet strong enough to last for years. With heavy-duty brackets engineered for 4x4 and 6x6 posts, the system allows you to build pergolas, shade structures, or outdoor retreats one section at a time. Each module takes about an hour to assemble, and prices start at just $352. Just add the lumber of your choice, and you'll have a custom backyard upgrade that looks like it was built by a pro. If you're tired of hauling heavy cement bags or waiting hours for concrete to cure, Polvost is the upgrade you've been waiting for. This expanding post mix is designed to replace concrete entirely. Just drill your hole, insert the post, pour the liquid mix, and watch it expand around the post like controlled foam. Within minutes, it hardens into a solid, load-bearing structure. No water, no tools, no mixing trays. Everything happens automatically. And because it expands evenly, it grips the post with incredible stability. It's cleaner, faster, and far more convenient than traditional concrete anchoring. Presto's GeoWeb GeoGrid is a powerful solution for stabilizing soil across massive, unstable landscapes, like the 4,700 square meter landfill shown in the demo. Each 30-centimeter deep cell locks soil or aggregate in place, preventing sliding and erosion even on steep slopes. Thanks to its load transfer performance, its tensile strength is nearly double that of traditional grids. And for extreme conditions, GeoWeb can be combined with geomembranes, concrete infills, or waterproof layers to create unbeatable structural stability. Perfect for landfills, slopes, embankments, and erosion-prone zones. The electric sieve takes the heavy lifting out of material preparation. Its strong motor vibrates a reinforced mesh screen at high speed, filtering out stones, clumps, and debris from sand, soil, or aggregate. The sturdy steel frame absorbs vibration and protects the machine, ensuring long life even in rugged environments. By delivering clean, uniform material in minutes, it drastically cuts down on labor time and improves the quality of mixes used in construction. Shaping arches and specialty ceilings used to require skilled carpenters and multiple days of precise cutting. Not anymore. Archways and Ceilings provides ready-to-install kits that snap into place in a matter of hours. Whether you want window arches, barrel ceilings, niche alcoves, or full architectural domes, each kit arrives pre-cut, lightweight, and perfectly shaped. It's easy enough for dedicated DIYers, yet high quality enough for professional contractors. And with an online design tool, you can customize dimensions, shapes, and styles to fit any project perfectly. Balconies, parapets, and similar architectural features often create hidden thermal bridges, weak spots where heat escapes through the concrete, leading to mold, condensation, and eventually structural damage. Schuck ISO Corp thermal connectors eliminate these issues by separating external elements from the building's insulated core. Installed before pouring, they provide structural strength and continuous thermal protection without requiring extra reinforcement. The result? Energy-efficient buildings, longer-lasting concrete, and no more cold spots radiating through walls. Lemonatus is a next-generation foundation formwork system made from lightweight metal frames paired with reusable plastic inserts. Despite being 5 meters long, each unit weighs only 20 kilograms, meaning no heavy machinery, no complicated setup, and no massive crew required. Even a small team can assemble an entire foundation system in one day using nothing more than basic cutters. And it's built for all climates, having already proven its durability in freezing northern regions like Estonia. Fast, light, and incredibly practical. That's the Lemonatus advantage.